Antidote.
So be back out the castle will be about 2020.
What say?
Oh, and so be back out the castle will be about 2020 now. Will be 2020.
When I pass some show. Also for Timmy Catch will be said, will be a year, but will be 2020. Or who send it on the set on free name. That's the judgment.
Say those will really but as a channel.
Yeah, revelation and my wisdom talk.
Yeah.
Also for Timmy Catch will be sent the real yaba. Now, Obewuno. That's mean the person not come from God. The English is correct.
The person does not come from God.
Now they say the person won't free
the person is not from God.
Muti minyes asem no. Obetimi ka che obi say asem ese wie yaba. Na obewu. Which you also say nipa ni mfiri nyame. If you not kasama the person don't trust the person until nipa ni because obi ofiri nyakopon you cannot tell the person say the be yaba. No obewu because First John chapter 2 ni esu aye no. O kire wo say si obi poye bone a ye wo tin ni ba kopon we tele che fe ni Yesu. Abo no po wo ye bone a wo do bone ye de. E chaw e ti say nipa no hu ni nwa so aye papa. Ko be say Yesu di bone che. E ti First John 1:9 say wo ye no kwafo no tin say kai bone mpo che na wo de ye de. Wo de che wo nipa bia no wo nya bonega etu obetimi ka kire wo bi se wo bi awie ya aba no obewu a so te se nipa no mfiri nyame. That's the person's mind.
Yeah, one.
Let what judge nipa no so mfiri nyame.
So we bu nyame aso bra.
I don't make us say what judge nipa no so mfiri nyame ti da nipa ko no wa judge say ye me no ka kire wo so te se mfiri nyame.
Yeah.
Some of us wa judge me. It won't take the right time.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
Do you get my point?
Yeah.
Mo let me catch amwako. And I say, Kevin, and I wisdom, and I said, George say, when we are back to Bewuno, which means I said, free me. Yeah, you show when we are back, the man will be a fake. Yes, sir. Or be your original, or could go to the class say, the original person, when the person kneel down. No, I said, rather, a fornication put him above, a German above, and I said, rather, my contact, my wolf, my kuni, myself, Father, forgive me. Was seeing what enough for Jesus or the body bonnet. And if Fair John say, what kind 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, was say 8, or say, only podcast on your bonnet down, whoop, you can say your bonnet that crown, now my years, now your true force. If you bonnet down, years, you want to mean function. It is a workers will be a yaba. It will be what I say on your papa. Yes, in your good point to me for the bonding. To what Jagini Papa Bon Samba. Only baby or yen Yakupon baby and Miss So Pamanukum, you provided the bonnet channel. You hear any papa certain for. Exactly. The two people that will be so be a yaba. The young person will be this year. Which any person will bring them to do. That's anybody free and made a woman about house.
Even on the cross, when Jesus Christ was dying with the side, even cross,
that is it.
Cross on this one, Boniface, Nanny Portia.
Massa, a Juma, a Juma, Yawatamfu baby, the big bear, or say, and was here. That's what I want to see. Don't judge me, brother, sister. Don't judge me. It is not in the Bible anywhere. So when you are quoting the Bible and you mistake, you go to hell. God can use this misquotation can judge you. I rejected you. What kind of this nonsense like this?
It's totally foolishness.
What kind of this nonsense like this?
I know you are
one Hebrew, and I say Proverbs. Because of say phone kutao. When you watch my program, you will see I'm holding the phone and I'm hearing text messages soon. So I'm confused because my head is stuck. Me who baby a quotation. You want me who my head is stuck. My phone kutamina away. You know say. Say me kwano and look at Canada Pobi.
For the point
I will use this. I will use this. And the radio. And rather be catching out that bay, and rather be catching out that bay, say what poor be. And rather be catching out him. Come out and say the Lord has spoken to you. Say, I have rejected Akwesi. Come out and say it. Say, God has spoken to me. I have rejected this person. Now many people years say, God said this year, people will never hear from you again.
It's not serious. It's not serious.
As a share Bible.
No, the Bible only.
As a share Bible.
So for
now, Casa Ben will be in Kavida. Many radio presenter will be no car say, Yanfo will be in man to prison, Yanjeli will be in my own presenter view. And will okay FM, but I never saw you.
I don't know when you're man.
Or being a Mr. Presenter will okay FM. Was say Yanfo will be in man to prison, Yanjeli will be in more. On the presenter view, that is about, I think, 3 years ago or 4 years ago, NDC time. Can you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Someone can you
The evidence is there. And no
it is on social media.
Yeah.
That is a Mahama time. Former president.
6 years ago.
Me bon kona bia dim ko gina court a me mistake ya me ka se me nya sade ni bi wa firo me nya bi o be pemene no. Presenter say this. Say asem mu ngeli obi me sa me nya presenter bi o. Ya ngeli me no wo jai.
Onyai.
Honestly o mo de kan je say jai.
Nya atwom.
You can me so angry bro for can say. Bro ebufuo.
Angry.
You can be angry. Wo betimi afuwa ka west. Wo betimi afuwa ka west. Ake kan sem. Obi ko timi ne busum bodu yase na no ma ya asemesi say mo nku asemesi ma ya asemesi me nsum bio this year out of anger. Yes. But this year the person busum ne nya bibia. Another say this year we can one ya busum. You can use your anger to do anything. But then no chira say ebufuo na nga wade ka so hwe obi ebufuo de ka wade be po obi a.
Ko bia ko antre wi ase. Ko bia ni wi ase.
So obi put me fuka say me jai asori ato, me jai me Bible ato, me jai Christianity ato. And we didn't nim say asema ni pakro okay it is out of anger. Ebufuo. What kind Bible was say first Samuel was see me nipa hwe to aberade hwe de be akoma. And we didn't nim say asema okay dey out of anger. It is not from the person's mind and the heart. And ebufuo na mo dey kasa say me jai Yesu ato, me jai Bible ato. Out of anger ebufuo. Ebufuo a utimi ka bibi a wo pe. Na me just obi dey ebufuo ka asem titino Erade aponi pa no. Who told you? Erade ka che wo hefa.
Onyameka.
And then Mammy can some talk. Mammy can some power. Erade. Minya obi a. When I'm supposed to. You feel bibi, most bibi the coward. I said so be a one surade. Me can say. Okay,
It's one coward.
Minya coward. Minya coward.
You are a courageous man.
Me surade. Sana men coward. Me surade.
You are a courageous man.
What say?
And one.
Let us say me surade.
I'm not a coward. Uye bold.
Me obi a me surade ba ko kra. Tiema sama me kan yo. Me obi a me suro ade ba ko kra. But me bu ade.
I'm somebody.
What am I kasa we kasa? Me obi a me suro ade ba ko kra. Ye ka sofo on suro ade ba ko wo wi ase a nye galo. Sofo on suro ade ba ko kra wo wi ase a me ka wo bi. But me bu ade. Number 2, me say obi a me enye easy said ye wo kan me fa. Enye easy. Tie twi na me ka no. Ebia won twi. Se wo ye presenter bema oba. Mon check ma homa ni yepa me pra cho ma mani abre obi TV ni show TV na ifo mon check ma homa ni pese live bia be yi. Pese live bia anda bobo nani pese bia be bobo nani. Mon hwe ni yepa ko se mani abre. Hwe ma me sa mbre bio. Oni pe bia ni ho mo a me so ni wo wi ase bat me buade. Me say ko machi number 2. Minya obi a me take advice easy. Me wo send me audio ni beti me me phone so 1 week na me ntie. Because me taking the advice. Me obi a me menya me hu ne lead me. Me menya ko po hu ene lead me but nye nipa. Because when you nipa here, human beings are full of evil. Nipa nye. Must study nipa for years. And I must study nipa so our Bible ni wiase nipa nye. Me say ya pa ye hwe obi a ba ko semu omo mewuo omo motiase. The all two fu wo ho se menye no saade no.
The person is doing it.
The same at the 20 bit tone wo adwumi ani so oye de wo tu se menye no. Je make a motive say
we do.
When you say the Chrome Ghana for Ghana and ya blochire ni wiase be bia motimi twi de motemase.
Yeah.
And then about boldness. Me bati say jata. Nipa
Man, he's a bad.
we obi a wo so betie nipa wo nipa ba so ubewu ntem.
You die before your time.
You will die early and you will die before your
Oh
time.
yes, it's true. It's true.
Sa wo so betie nipa.
If you would want to listen to human being, one of my lecturers said it. He said, cowards die many times before they are dead. Omo amoye coward. Omo mpre bebre ansa no mu wo kura so.
Me shura yo. Me kojo obi ni ma meti yi. Me shura de ba kora ba ni buade. Ye ka so obi shura de a ebi ni mimu. What did I make no?
We understand you.
Ye ka so obi shura de a ebi ni mimu ba ni buade. Me se mo pa mo hwehwe onipa bi aba kosemu. Je wo je oti ase o. Efoto na wo tu obi fu obi bi ho sai ade we menye no. Saa de kro na bi to no pa hono wo ye. Me se kopu sa wo maame, wo papa, wo nana, wo fa, wo sofo, wo president, wo leader bi. Efuto no ode ma wo se enya de we no saa de kro no tu se menyam. The same as the kro na bi to no but ono ye. If you all country will play say or the bi to no oye ya na amwa no. If you want to menya na amwa all can play but when you hypocrite ya chom na watch na.
Powerful.
Do you get my point?
Oh yes.
The others.
All country will say bi to no na wo no oye ya na amwa no. If you want to ko ya nya dai ka amwa all can play when you chom no.
I get it.
So fu ni dia ta but who ni dia ta so ni dia ta atem di dia na ho so fu nko a
No.
so fu mo gaman but who dia ho mo gaman e gaman ho ma asofo nko a
No.
na metu sebi miensa sebi kwasia e gaman ho ma pastors
No.
ya trouble Bible wo here for say fornication is there for the pastors.
Oh no.
Murder criminal is there for only pastors. Ya trouble here Matthew 23, you catch a fallacy for some years. Was your phone? You can find it from. What you can this was when you pop, but you know what they did.
I feel it.
Mama share, move practice it.
You are not practicing what you preach.
Must study nipa for years. Me too, me 40s. Me nyakola. And I'm a sure Bible from Genesis up to Revelation. What you know? Me sure Bible from Genesis up to Revelation. Today we are here because of hypocrites.
Oh yes.
Adults, hypocrite, not also.
The hypocrite is a lot.
Now, not also.
The hypocrite is a lot.
Too much.
Yes, you catch a fallacy for some more. You want to send for much lecture and conform a moment yet. What a chill this was when you pack, but the moment sweaty. Don't know to say to your kite, or no soften, or no air than I was to your kite, which I said title to you. Don't know so as a bar for a bush I saw for a one bobby. Don't know catcher was said for your doy and bush I saw feel a doy and why you be. What did I make her say? Don't know two for catchers I do with men say, bush I say, a bit on where I know yet. And the more as I am for being Cassa say, I deal with ya woo a bit from me quiet arm one. For what your example say, arm wow, and to also man could you be. Now, I want to send you what you look around who you be that. We are holy. Who bought dog?
Who bought grandma?
Who bought dog? Ghana there one more, and you'll be had you.
Ghana doesn't belong to Israel.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Maybe Buadia, I respect anybody on this earth, but I don't fear anybody.
Oh yeah.
We are Ghanaians.
I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Ghana belongs to all of us.
Yeah, we are Ghanaians.
Me who suffer what Ghana ha, ye didn't attempt to be him.
Oh yeah.
Suffer bay the Betty Baba want to say ye did me attempt that coming was him chair will be him. Suffer bay. You started car was 5 years here. Well, you started see a body in Bonnie 4 years, 5 years here. Me, I started one in Bonnie 20 years. 20 years over. But me doesn't join the national.
Food dinner, so one appointment in the one. That's what Dinamona.
Wisdom, nipa ye too hypocrite any time. John two before catch us, men you say, bra men you say, sister men you say, mommy men you say, papa men you say, no. Are the two may be true? Oh yeah,
the same thing.
What kind of human being we are? Me person be bon konfo bi adi. E ka me nya wo bi adi mo Ghana ha say we papa. Ka me nya obi adi mo say we papa. Wo na wo tu obi fo say me no mo nsa no ba to shi wi. E no de ere wo na wo tu obi fo say me nhye shu wo se kambu e no so e de dig na nya hyehye. Elephant to you, elephant to me. Say so one na so me. Sister Abra, don't listen to human beings, so listen to God. As someone will be catch on, check your spirit, check your life. Say, but don't put your trust, don't put your belief in human beings, only God.
Yes.
Only God. Nanya Ghana hakranka, osofo kura ebie Bible mu kura na, osofo bie Bible mu kura na oye mistake kura no kwetinka so mfiri nyankopon. What kind of nonsense like this?
Eno ejimi.
What kind of nonsense like this? Nanya Ghana haka minim sa ade no.
Man ntumi nyamfo so.
Nanya Ghana haka minim. Kwado obi ni me say I have learned from Genesis out to Revelation. My car Bible from Genesis out to Revelation, Genesis out to Revelation, Genesis out to Revelation, Genesis out to Revelation. My car read how many times?
7 times.
7 times. So I have a lot of quotations in my mind. If you sometimes man try me the Hebrew, I did not share Matthew. Me the man try to share Genesis. Me the Genesis I did not share Hepha, Exodus. Me the Exodus I did not share Revelation. But I say no make the thing I'm saying it is in the Bible. Because I have a lot of quotations in my mind.
English pastors, no problem. Come for the preaching. Oh, I'm very mistaken. I say my Bible says. Oh, put to plan our very mistake.
Na Yesu kura ba wose watchro say.
Watchro say. It is written.
Wose watchro say.
So I have a lot of quotations in my mind. When you mistake, it will be that. Just listen to my words. I have sometimes, ebi to control my jealousy. You won't conform with Ghana, and we are so almost see so bobra, and rather woman, rather pejam, only baby seeing. But only maintain the level of blessings, the capacity, the level of the covenant between them and God. Only to me and the Radian Casa up bread or massy. It will face the real Radian Brandas, the same thing about this way will be.
It's too much.
That is the hypocrisy.
That's a hypocrisy.
That is the hypocrisy. So what I said, and jealous when you pem. Jealous when you pem. But sometimes you have to hide your own.
That is it.
I'm speaking correct the English.
Right way.
English man, when I mistake, correct me.
I'm here, Papa.
You have to hide your
own.
Your own.
Yeah.
And was someone hiding your jealousy.
Yeah.
Or be anybody on this heart have jealousy. Anybody on this head have jealousy. Or be but you can use the word of God to control it.
That is it.
You can use the word of God to control it. I was so doing Yamia some ekataso. Say the Joby Cham say, me was sembi, Sameka Yana Kamiso me pentense, and Kamia Casamiso Mabwame home, Nesu Yamina 17, what Timmy Muntin, Nasamekaya, Namejai. Was a man so me watching Kapa, and Kamia Nipata Samoa, and Kasembiba, and Kamisu Metimia was so me home, Nesu Sonson Concono in Tino, what Timmy Muntin, Nasamekaya, Mejai. Have feelings to do something. Anybody on this earth have feelings to do something, but because of the word of God.
Oh yeah.
A big team control or jealous. Bonia a menya ko pompo nipa. Bonia menya ko pompo nipa. Bonia di nipa ko hell. And this will be quotation one mistake. What kind of nonsense like this? Just quotation. And look, you just menya ko pompo nipa.
Konya mo nyame apo mo do so.
Na se ko mo ko ka nyame awie mo mo dwaman tantan.
Ko ka nyame ni mo no.
Mo dwaman tantan. Wisdom, hypocrisy in the also. Today I came purposely because of my fans.
Yeah.
If you are not my fan, me when you're my fans, I don't care about you. I'm living on this side because of God, not because of you. I'm not afraid of insult. I'm above. You know Obinim already. Since 20-something years, getting to 30 years, people are insulting me. But still, my name is Angel Obinim. I'm still remaining my bishop. I'm still remaining my pastor. You cannot take it from me.
Yes.
You can count. You cannot take from me. To me and Jesus in the
Never.
According to Revelation chapter 3, was it young so you put them in will be to me and you free and no one can take my glory from me, only God. The jealousy in this country are too much. Hypocrisy are too much. Obi for obi atre obi nche okra keke kwase betram nche wa bluchire betram nche keke wa bluchire betram nche keke wa Africa na Ghana ha kra keke betram nche no kra okono ko hu nipa ko access ni niam kaka na ni bre no. What kind of this nonsense and envy like this?
This nonsense must stop.
Would you mabumfu send any pedia wo bufo mabumfu kra na every act. Would you pa mabumfu o na every act na ka semense se wo kan ye begina so dia condemn. So when you papa free nyame
Abro bia so bufu.
Lucas.
Let me tell you something, right? Me can say me fancy for no say. Me can say me fancy for no. Me person me say kai wo no.
Sir.
Ni quotation me dia me fancy for no Job 34:10.
Oh yeah.
Me say and some 6 and the dam so Ghana ha. And some 6. You see me delete all court, we need pass papers here niema. Makoji will be good. Money laundry. Na dey mo kan niema 6.
Na masem.
Yes me masem.
Na
Missy coronavirus will be 6.
No.
Okay. My catcher me fancy for said. I'm ready to face any judgment on this edge.
And child abuse.
And me say, I said, I'm ready to face any judgment. I'm not afraid of anything, no. Because the God I'm serving, the God I'm worshiping him, no. It's not a failure God. It's Job 34, that is my favorite quotation. 10. Was in your coupon, one neck gun of one lawyer, the judge for a man, a Bible. Was it empire your coupons or maybe somebody who do for your coupons, or bet you I tell was only part who should ban a bravo human walk, son of money told. Let him catch the fancy forces to go in Sanya must sex in Inano. So I will back on park, come on, Bible. Because your vampire, the prayer is not working. And Bible God is a justice of God. I'm teaching you, my followers, my members. God is a justice of God. Last time I catch the fancy for say, me young bonnet to say, Gamma name, Brabon, and man, me young come and Pablo for me mobida. Maybe you do the come and band prayer in my church.
A waste of energy.
Me. Said you came one yet. Me for don't be the media, go the Juma. Me say, I'll ban prayer in my church. I'll ban worship. Maybe they come off you. I don't know something for phobia. What kind of problem? My woman, so many bush me. So I can come boldly and say to all my Ghanaians that I'm using juju. My juju name is social and so. You can come. I will help you. The same thing for people. Some name, Mr. Agra Damoye. Some of the bush yes, maybe may fake in fact Bible make so I'm using juju. Me na yes was I be judge me. Fucking this way.
We are sent fasting. Hey.
We must have live in Bible. We are praying and receive the spirit of powers and strength. Let's pray and overcome any battle. You come, can mama be fearful from colleague, girls in the boys and no come Bible. Yet pastors here come, I saw my year come. What is your bottom? What is your bottom? May life your life will be a new puppet will be in ministers, no use to wear them. Nipa beti your ministry as any years over. Me, I don't care for anybody. I don't care anybody on this, but I respect anybody. I'm not a coward person.
You are very brave.
I'm not afraid of insult. I have said it already.
Oh yes.
I can be imagine who the number 18. Now who for the suffer now started the matter? Who started the matter this year? Who started the matter? That is 2008, 2019 and 17. Me the matter from 2020. I was the matter 2020. So for wisdom, 2020 you started to be the matter. You started to be the matter since 2000. 2000, which means how many years? 20 years. I'm a tear solid. So you are also finger upon show the God you are worshiping him. You are also finger upon Chenya Mesono, Chenya Mena was so now also finger. And then it is so finger me.
Well, running one branch, browse moving.
What what capacity are you? What was you finger me? Tio, almost some finger me. And then the chest will finger me.
Prove it.
And then the check.
There's a time to prove it.
And then the check.
A Jamie Dano once or a Sampa will be a
Messi, and then the chair over say, and you preaching the church with me. You know, 7-7. Matthew 7-7 was it? Matthew 7-7.
Matthew 7-7.
Matthew 7-7. Matthew 7-7. Matthew 7-7. There be 21. Yenya 7, Yenya 21. Matthew 7:21.
Matthew 7:21.
Matthew 7:21 say. And now we are. And now sin is said. Not everyone who said no. Not everyone who said to me, Lord, Lord, shall enter the kingdom of heaven. But he who does the will of the Father who is in heaven. Do the will of God. Was it anyone who said There's 23. I say, I'm not me. I'm not me, yes. What you preach. That's the correct one.
That's the right word. What you preach.
Act what you preach. So the preach you are preaching, act.
Yes.
Preaching that we preaching, act. So preacher, man of God, I like your preaching. Man of God, I like your teaching. Man of God, I like your prophecy. Man of God, I like your healing. Man of God, I like your administration.
And don't find the punk or
what's that? That day, no, because we need to be 1 year. It won't be for healing or prophecy or teaching or preaching and found for heaven. So your life will take you to heaven. Yes. So prepare yourself.
That is the manual. That is the manual.
Yeah.
On that day, many will say to me, Lord, Lord,
Ima,
Papa,
Mamika Assembly,
Papa,
Ebiana Papa will want to
Oveti.
And the coronavirus, Monsieur Yesu pass a man in Omra. Coronavirus here, the necessary them. I eat some for you, a software, a software man, a software man, a software man, Macaba, no, we can pass. Masua, Berry Antonia. Monsieur Yesu said, say yes to you will be in power. And the coronavirus here, as serious in the OBS said them, this is the first Atemuda way. Yesu all from Mra. Yen share ye ne wo. You be ko heaven wo. Yen share ye ne wo. You be ko heaven wo. You must be very careful of your life. Don't allow yourself to someone to deceive you. Be vigilant. Be very careful. Don't use artisan.
Yes,
Artisan. Don't use artisan.
Okay.
Don't use artisan to deceive.
Benwa.
Don't use artisan. Don't use artisan.
Yes, see.
To judge someone.
To judge someone. Don't use.
Yes.
When me crowd back from the TV, so crowd me teach you about occultism crowd.
You'll be a detail.
Obia edit 45 seconds and what they WhatsApp. So obi nim so obi wokot chese mo fa ni paper fa pem for bra fa nkola moja fa nkola nsatia fa we and obi alete and ebi mo agye di
Impudence.
o se ye fa mo say
No, that act is an impudence.
no obi agye di me kan for kwa pem asam kura hu ye was we dey editing me kan for cross editing ba wo agye di. So you are so easy to convince. I want to use this English word, but I don't know how to use. I want to say something in English, but I don't know how to use it. When I mistake, forgive me. The person we use English, we say a children does not need convince. Person can say, "Oh, we are true children." I want papa side. Who here see a convince?
A true child
cannot be convinced.
Yes. Because you know your father already.
A true child cannot be convinced. A true child cannot be deceived.
Same me control being my material. I cannot bet me that convince him about Christ's side.
A true child.
Dr. Ma, let's look at it this way. A true child does not need
to be convinced.
to know his father.
Okay.
It's wrong. A true child cannot be deceived. A true child cannot be deceived.
Hey, you ever bro for you one word? You never be let me continue my work. Like I obey you. Debi ameka ye wo asofo mi ense bo no ye nti ye ministry ase. Asofo mi ense bo wi ase ye nti ministry ase.
Oh yes, the trace.
Mabobo di na che o why.
You TB Joshua Shepherd Bushiru.
Ye nti ase. TB Joshua, Busili and I. Debi ameka che man so man say yes ankofo mi ensa no wi ase fo nti ye ministry ase. Number 3 ase na Yesu wo ye dem. Oba. I obeying personality. I believe the second coming of Christ. So you cannot pour your eye to me. Obeying Jesus Christ is coming soon. I'm not afraid Jesus Christ is coming soon. I told you already that I have prepared myself to meet Jesus Christ. If Jesus Christ come today, I've already prepared myself. So you to prepare. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Also for being in the for you, I convert to Christianity. I convert to Christianity because of heaven, not because of money. What is the money? I can die to leave my property because I'm or something. I came purposely because of heaven.
Yes.
I'm not here in this way because of my cars, my houses, my over my dead body. So I can die today and leave everything. One thing my wife for this obinim laughs me. When you are me for this obinim odome. Was munni kunu obinim no. Munni kunu obinim. Obinim say choosing from God. Jesus the man. How can somebody go to for this obinim who say leave your husband? Abra Jesus no nkasai. Ori no nya nipa Yesu nkasa nkyere no. Wo kra na wo se wo mpai wo so na wo fasting so na wo baba kenken so kwa. Wo se wo so dae. Wo kra so dae. Wo so dae. How can you advise someone who say leave this husband? What could come where your master can what is written in jail? What come baby when you go on what no? And then the mechanical Peace FM. Kwame Sefa kind program so. Mechanical Kwame Sefa kind program so Peace FM that was 2011 as a 2012. Me say osofo what Jimmy would say, holy man of God. HME will be him. No, me Bible trying to challenge. Or Pamela Bontemegas will be him. I'm a holy man than you. So you have to meet in stadium or anywhere. I want to prove to you that Obinim, I'm a holy person than you. Can you promote the pagan? No one is perfect. But you cannot pour your eye to me Obinim. Me my Bible me born and say. Me born and say. Obi me kumini pada. Me mo krono me mo apo me nya za me nya de ane. Alright. There is a message on the popo when you go so. Popa mo bo oduru jabo so mi bi. Benta senkuta benkuta ne senkuo. Popa mo bi. Yankoto mo bosom ne da. We are serving the living God. Me munnim kwajo obi nim. Ya wo ba go the me fa that is my fault. I'm telling the gospel truth. I'm not afraid of anybody.
No.
Me your the me fa that is my fault. I will never apologize to anybody to my fault. I'm saying this gospel truth. Medias can take my voice. Media. Ghana bloggers can take this advice. Because I'm an innocent. I am innocent. The 6 allegations. The 6. I will never apologize about these 6 allegations. Me say I will never. Me say media can take this my voice. Media or bloggers can take this my voice. I will never apologize about the 6 allegations. Apologize.
Yes.
Okay. Like I say, APOLOGIZES. Apologize.
Apologize.
And the Bishop JIES.
Yes.
And the
apology.
We have the Britain and the US. Some use ISE.
It's Z in here for the.
It's we have to know the people, but they are all correct. ZESE is
it's the same thing.
Yes, please.
Let's spell it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Or Britain English, US English.
I will never afraid of this words. I'm saying. Me say I will never afraid. Because you be na me tue. Me fancy for no. Me fancy for na wonni me awurade a wonni me Yesu no. Mo pa ba bi na. Obi ni fancy for na wonni me Yesu na. Mu gidie hye nipa mo pa ba bi na. Hey, wa wo gidie wo mi wo bi ni mu no. Wa wo gidie wo mi wo bi ni mu no. Me catch you say wo gidie wo mi mu ma mo ya wo say ma wo gidie nhye Yesu mu nkyɛn me. Edi say wo gidie hye obi ni mu na nhye Yesu mu a pa ba bi da. Free wo bi ni ma hye die. So the Bible won't answer. Me would not be sorry. Me catch you say, Obinim no. Me ye Obinim wo Yesu mu. Me nyagma wo Yesu achi wo. Me yegma wo Yesu mu. Me would not be sorry. The man why ya we say, Obinim no. Eye Yesu na ye mo Obinim. Na Yesu kwa ga so the best boss spirit na ye adwuma. Missing media can take my voice. Media can take my voice about this ways. Missing I will never apologize about the 6 bad allegations I did to me. I will never apologize. I'm innocent. I'm ready to go to anywhere. Or being fancy for who so won't ever been there.
You're also ready to follow you everywhere they go.
Wisdom, that is my fault.
Yeah.
That is my fault. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, catching and I said, "Nana." Yes, I said, "What question?" Answer.
I said, "Many have to so down."
Which one? I am the fancy for no. Me or be a fake person, beginning to be a beginning free machi.
Amen.
I'm not the leader of Christianity. I'm not leader of Christianity. Jesus Christ is a leader of Christianity. So you are not ready to follow Jesus Christ. Go.